everyone, and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a half double crochet stitch. If you've mastered single crochet and you're ready to level up, this is a perfect next step. The half double crochet is a versatile stitch that's a little taller than a single crochet, but still super easy to work with. So grab your yarn and your hook, and let's do it. Start by yarning over your hook. Wrap the yarn from the back to the front of the hook before you do anything else. Now insert your hook into the stitch or space where you want to work the half double crochet. If you're working into a chain, then insert your hook into the top loop of the chain. Once your hook is in place, yarn over again. You're going to wrap the hook from the back to the front again. Now pull the yarn through the stitch or space. At this point, you should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again. This is the final yarn over for this stitch. And finally, pull the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. And that's your half double crochet. Let's try that again a few more times. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over for the last time, and pull through all 3 loops. And that's it. Just keep repeating these steps to make a row of half double crochets, and remember to practice keeping an even tension. You don't want it to be too light or too loose. If you're working into a row of stitches and not the chain, as you can see some V's on the sides, as well as the top. And we're going to be placing our hook under these top V stitches. These ones on the front and the back that are below the top loops, these are called the 3rd stitch of the half double crochet. But for now, we're just going to start with yarning over and inserting our hook under the top 2 loops. And so now I'm going to yarn over again and pull that through, have my 3 loops, yarning over, pulling through all 3. Yarn over, insert under the top 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Half double crochets are great for making scarves, blankets, and other projects where you want a nice balance between height and density. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thank you so much for watching and good luck on your crochet journey.